How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. My name is Virda Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education, and today in this session, what we are going to learn? We are going to start with a new chapter, that is time. And in that, our session number one, we are going to start, right? Because we are going to start a new chapter, that is time. Now, by hearing this word, what comes to your mind? आपके mind में क्या आता है by hearing the time? So, by hearing this word, the things which comes to your mind are the numbers. That is 4, 5, 6 and everything, right? That it is 4 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock. So, by hearing this word, the numbers will come to your mind that it is yes. What time it is 4 o'clock. Now, when did you ask the time? आप लोग time कब पूछते हो? So, if somebody asks you, at what time do you go to school? क्या कितने बजे स्कूल पे जाते हो? What is your timings of the school? So you will say that I go to school at 7 o'clock. So it describes the time कि आप 7 बजे स्कूल पे जाते हो at 7 o'clock, right? Now, we have many types of clock. कि हमारे पास कई different तरह की clocks रहती है. And nowadays in this era कि अभी के टाइम में बहुत different तरह की varieties की watch we are having, right? Smart watch, clock, digital clock, analog clock. There are many kinds of clock. But the very olden kind of clock that we are going to study over here, that is analog clock, right? That is analog clock. Now, analog clock means the clock which you have at your home. कि आप घर पे जो simple round clock रहती है, right? A round clock. This is the simple, that is analog clock. This kind of a clock, that is a simple round one, that is known as analog clock. Now, we all know that एक घंटे में 1 hour में कितनी minutes रहती है? 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. यानी कि यहाँ पे जो big hand है वो पूरा का पूरा यहाँ पे finish करता है. Then it is said as it has completed 1 hour. Right? So 1 hour equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Means कि एक second hand पतला कर रखा है that continuously move only. So means जो continuously move करता है and then it reaches the over here 1 round if it finished, that means we have completed 1 minute, right? So now you know that how to see simple of the time. If I say that our small hand is known as our hand. Small hand is known as our hand and the big hand is known as minute hand. जो बड़ा है वो minute कहलाएगा and the small hand is known as our hand. Now, if the small hand is on 4 and the big hand is on 12, so what does that mean? It means that it is 4 o'clock. You can write it like this way, or else you can write it like this way, 4 o'clock. Right? Now, apart from this, now, if the small hand is on 9 and the big hand is on 12, then what time it is? It is 9 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock. Right? Now, again, if the small hand is on 1 and the big it is? It is 1 or 1 o'clock. You can say it as it is 1 or 1 o'clock. Now if I say here I represent the time and you are identifying, right? Now what if I say that you need to represent the time on the clock? So you are supposed to represent 12 o'clock on the clock. आपको 12 o'clock जो है वो यहाँ पे आपको represent करना है कि 12 कब बजते हैं. When both the hands means both the hands are on 12 together. जब दोनों hands यहाँ पे 12 पे एक साथ रहते हैं, then at that time it is 12 o'clock. Okay? So this much I hope that you have understood the basic of analog clock. Now we have understood the simple timings, that 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, right? When the small hand is on that number and the big hand is on 12, then the number on which the small hand itne baje hai, right? Now what if the big hand is on 6 and the small hand is on whatever the number, if it is on 10, then what time it is? You can say that it is 10, and when the big hand reaches the 6, it means कि 60 minutes में से हमने half time complete कर लिया, means 30 minutes चले गए. So it is, we can say it is 10:30, or in words if we want to speak, then how we will speak? We will speak as half past 10. जब हम 30 minutes का time duration हमें show करना है, then we will speak as half past 10. Now, if the small hand is on 8, then half past 8. Now what if the small hand is on 2, then half past 2, but the big hand, when you will speak as half past 2 when the big hand is on 6 and the small hand is on any of the number, then at that time you will speak like this way, or in the numbers you can write it like this way. Okay? Now, this we have seen full time, then half past. Then the next one is now what if the big hand is on 9? जो बड़ा hand जो है वो 9 पे है, the small hand if it is between 3 and 4, जो छोटा hand है वो 3 और 4 के बीच में है, वो exactly 3 पे भी नहीं है और वो exactly 4 पे भी नहीं है. It is between 3 and 4, right? So what time it is? So you can say it as, अब 3 और 4 के बीच में, तो अब कितने बजने वाले? 4. So it is 4 after 30. This is the gap of 5. So this is 35, 40 and 45. So 440. So you can write it as 3:45, right? Or in words you will write it as quarter to 4. Means ये 15 minutes का जो time duration है उसे हम quarter बोलते हैं. The duration of 15 minutes is known as quarter. The duration of 30 minutes is known as half past. And the duration of 15 minutes, 15 minutes. So that is known as quarter. So quarter to 4 कि 4 बजने में अभी 15 मिनट की देर है. Okay? Now, what if the small hand is between 7 and 8? 7 और 8 के बीच में, तो words में आप क्या लिखोगे? That is, it is quarter to 8. But in numbers, you will write 7:45. In numbers, you will write this number. But in words, if you are writing like this way, then you will go with the next number. Okay? It is quarter to 8. I hope that you are getting it clear. नाउ वी हैव लर्न दिस कि अभी इतने बजने वाले हैं. नाउ अभी यहाँ पे now what if the big hand is on 3 and the small hand over here is on 11, exactly on 11, right? So it is 11 बज गए और 11 बजने के बाद अभी 15 मिनट चले गए, right? So that is 2 means अभी आगे इतने बजेंगे कि अब इतने बजने वाले हैं, और past means कि अब इतने already हो चुके, इतने past हो गए. So as I told you that the duration of 15 minutes is known as quarter. So first in numbers we will write like 11, 15 because here 15 minutes is happening, and quarter past means 11 बज के अभी 15 मिनट चले गए. So quarter past 11. What do we write? Quarter past 11. Now what if is the small hand is on 6? 6 पे है छोटा है, तो that is 6:15 and quarter past 6. 6 बज के अभी 15 मिनट हो गए, that is quarter past 6. Okay? So I hope you have understood the concept of the simple clock, then half past, quarter to and quarter past. This much it is clear. Now the next thing, now let's see the next thing, that is अभी 6 बज के यहाँ पे अभी 5 मिनट, हमने 15 का देखा, 30 मिनट्स का देखा, 45 मिनट्स का देखा, राइट? 15, 30 एंड 45 मिनट्स का हम टाइम ड्यूरेशन देखे. नाउ व्हाट इफ 5 मिनट्स का भी इंटरवल टाइम हो, तो हम उसे कैसे रीड करेंगे? फॉर एग्जांपल, if the big hand is on 5 and the small hand is on 9, यानी कि 9 बज के अभी 5 मिनट ही हुए हैं, that is 9:05. और आप इसे वर्ड्स में कैसे रीड करोगे? that is 5 minutes past, कितने बजने में? 9 बजकर अभी 5 मिनट हुए हैं, that is 5 minutes past 9. अगर यहाँ पे 10 मिनट है तो 10 minutes past 9. So 10 minutes past 9, right? यहाँ पे 20 minutes हो तो 20 minutes past 9, right? अब आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग 30 मिनट्स, अब यहां से कोई भी अगर चाहता है तो व्हाट विल बी द डिफरेंस, कि यहां तक हम पास्ट यूज करते थे, अब यहां से आगे का जो आएगा 6 के बाद का, दैट विल बी कन्वर्टेड टू 2, राइट? क्योंकि जो अब 9, द स्मॉल हैंड इज बिटवीन 9 and 10 somewhat, and the big hand is on 7. So what you will say? You will say it like that. अभी कितने मिनट्स है 10 बजने में? So that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 25 minutes to 10. 25 minutes to 10. और हम नंबर्स में तो ऐसे ही लिखेंगे 9:35. But 25 minutes to 10, or you can also write it as, आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो that 35 minutes past 9, कि 9 बज के अभी 35 मिनट हो गए, that is 35 minutes, it is completed, right? So now after this we have done. Now what if कि यहाँ पे this big hand is between 2 and 3 somewhat, and the small hand The small hand is between 2 and 3 and the big hand is on 11. So what does it mean? So the 2 and 3 के बीच में, so we can also write it as 2:55 or else 5, अभी 3 बजने में 5 मिनट की देर है, so 5 minutes to 3. 5 minutes to 3. Okay? I hope that now you have understood how to read. If अभी इतने बजने वाले हैं तो 1:45, ये बजकर इतने हो गए हैं, then it is 1:15. If it is 6, 1/2. Okay? So in this way you are supposed to identify the timings. Or when you are showing the time period between, that is 9:45 और at that time the small hand, जब आप कोई भी time duration, look over here, I am saying something important to you all, that when you are showing the time duration of 45 minutes or 55, whatever the minutes this have, at that time, now for example I have to show the time, that is 8:45, मुझे 8:45 शो करना है. So when you are going to show the time 8:45, at that time तब जो small hand है वो exactly 8 पे नहीं रहेगा. The small hand is not exactly on 8. जो small hand है वो exactly 8 पे नहीं होगा, वो 8 और 9 के बीच में रहेगा. The small hand will be between 8 and 9 and the big hand is on 9. Right? Because it is 8:45 और अब 9 बजने में सिर्फ 15 मिनट की देर है, यानी कि ये जो स्मॉल हैंड है मूव करते हुए थोड़ा बीच में आ गया. राइट? इफ यू विल कीप दिस ओवर हियर exactly on 8, the small hand, then yes, your answer will be wrong. And when you are drawing these hands on the clock, जब आप क्लॉक पे ये हैंड्स ड्रॉ कर रहे हो, at that time you need to keep remember one thing, कि जब आप ड्रॉ करो तब दोनों हैंड्स आप सेम साइज के ना बनाओ, यानी कि ये 8 का भी सेम, ये 9 का भी. यहाँ पे देखो आपको स्मॉल हैंड और बिग हैंड में पता चल रहा है. आर यू एबल टू डिफरेंशिएट दैट विच इज द स्मॉल हैंड एंड विच इज द बिग हैंड? हियर इट लुक्स सेम ओनली. So how will you going to identify that which is the small hand and which is the big hand? तो आप आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करोगे कि कौन सा बिग है कौन सा स्मॉल है, और आपको टाइम भी कैसे पता चलेगा? So yes, it is difficult to identify. So whenever you are drawing the hands on the clock, you need to keep that thing in mind. If you are drawing a small hand, then draw a small hand only, and the big hand, it looks bigger than the small hand. आपको पता चल जाना चाहिए. अब आपको पता चल रहा है कि स्मॉल हैंड कौन सा है? यस, आपको पता चल जाएगा कि ये जो है वो स्मॉल हैंड है और वो एक्जेक्टली 8 पे है. सो वो नहीं चलेगा, हमें ये 8 और 9 के बीच में रखना है. नाउ इट इज, वी कैन सी 8 एंड 9 के बीच में एंड द बिग हैंड इज ऑन 9. अब आपको दोनों हैंड्स का डिफरेंस पता चल रहा है. जब मैं पहले ड्रॉ किया, यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस कि वो दोनों हैंड्स एक जैसे ही दिख रहे थे. कौन सा बड़ा कौन सा छोटा हमें नहीं पता चल रहा था. राइट? सो द बिग हैंड इज नोन एज मिनट हैंड एंड द स्मॉल हैंड इज नोन एज आवर हैंड. Then after 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So this was just the introduction part of this chapter, that is time. And now related to this, what we have learned over here, the timings that I am going to give you in the exercise. वो मैं आपको एक exercise में दूंगी वर्कशीट में. मीन्स आपको एक क्लॉक दी गई होगी और उसमें आपको टाइम शो करने, that it is 8 o'clock. Then how will you show the time 8 o'clock? The small hand on 8 and the big hand on 12. Then 8:45, the small hand between 8 and 9 and the big hand is on 9. Then exactly 12 o'clock, then both the hands on 12. Right? Then 12:45 यानी कि जो स्मॉल हैंड है वो 12 और 1 के बीच में आएगा, क्योंकि उसके बाद 1 बजेंगे. and the small hand is between 12 and 1 and the big hand is on 9. Okay, so in this way you are supposed to solve the worksheet. I hope that you have understood the concept, the basic concept of time, and how to show the time in the analog clock. Analog clock में आप time कैसे show करोगे? And we have also learned that how to read the time. Time को हम read कैसे करेंगे, right? So these are the things we have learned in today's session. Now, as a part of revision, I'll give you some of few questions in the description section. And if you know the answer, I will send related to this topic only. I am going to give you the question. And if you know the answer, then you can give your answer in the comment section. आप मुझे अपना answer comment section में दे सकते हो. And if you don't understand anything, then you can see the video again, or else you can ask me in the comment section. आप मुझे comment section में भी पूछ सकते हो. Okay? So this was all about today's session. I hope that you have enjoyed this session. So till then, bye bye. Thank you. Take good care of yourself.